Science is easy to understand if it is explained right with simple language through everyday examples. Welcome to the SciVerseLab, where I break down the scientific universe into clear and understandable concepts. I'm Dr. J.K. Ramanathan, a scientist specializing in cancer biology and developmental neurobiology. I have created the SciVerseLab to break down the complexity of human biology and make it accessible to the entire human community, clear, accurate, and understandable for anyone, anywhere. Because science isn't meant to be gatekept, understanding our own body should belong to all of us. If you're curious about how the human body really works, this is your place. Let's explore the science of the human body, explaining everything from fundamental biological processes to the latest research in areas such as health, disease, and development, all in a way that is easy to understand. My goal is to improve the scientific literacy, spark curiosity, and encourage critical thinking as the biology of the human body shapes our lives in profound ways. This channel exists to bridge the gap as much of it remains difficult to access due to technical complexity and limited outreach. All content here is strictly educational and grounded in reliable sources, including peer-reviewed research and standard textbooks, well-established scientific consensus. I'm committed to accuracy, transparency, and clarity, and where there are limitations and uncertainties in scientific knowledge, I will clearly acknowledge them. You won't find any political advocacy, medical advice, or unverified claims here, just science explained responsibly. If you enjoy learning about how your body works and exploring new scientific ideas, subscribe and join the journey. Thank you.